Hi guys, I'm back with a new video. Today's video is going to be a bit different from the usual because I'm going to be doing a first impressions of two variants from one brand. Medyo confusing, alam ko. But if you guys are interested to see more and to know more, keep on watching. If you would like to see more content that I make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be informed of new videos that I upload. Okay guys, so today's product that I will be featuring in this first impressions is the Pond's Mineral Clay Mask. So totoo lang, matagal ko nang nakikita yung commercial niya. At sabi ko, okay, one of these days I'm gonna get that because I wanna try it out. And here we go. So currently, I only have 2 of the 8 grams 8-gram sachets of these types, and this actually comes in 3 variants. This is the pure white, this one is the white beauty, and then they have another one which is the clear solutions, but they don't have it in 8 grams. So how do you use this? Basically, you put it on your face, on your dry clean face, let it sit for about 10 minutes and then wash it off with lukewarm or warm water. Para naman sa video na to, ang gagawin natin ay multi-masking, and if you guys are interested to know what is multi-masking, I'll do an in-depth video about that next time. Today, we're just gonna do these, okay? Okay, before we get started, I would just like to talk a little bit more about each product para naman kung may mga tanong kayo, masagot na dito, and then just ask follow-up questions on the comment section. So we're going to start off first with the White Beauty Mineral Clay Mask. This is actually a brightening treatment. So if your concern is more of a dull, yung skin mo is dull, and you want to brighten it up, you want to, reduce fine lines, pores, and make your skin look really, really young and really, really fresh. Ano ba yung sinasabi ko? Fresh. Fresh. Okay, fresh. And this will be the one that you need to use. So it says here that this has, ang hirap magbasa, diba? This has vitamin B3 plus technology that helps stimulate the appearance of millions of pristine skin cells to reveal your untainted, bright skin. Medyo high claim, but let's see if it works on the first try. So if you guys are wondering how much these actually cost, these are only 32 pesos per sachet, and 1 sachet is good for 2 uses. So if you want to try out the product first, you can actually do it with this. Okay, now we're gonna go to this brother right here. This is the from the White Beauty line. So if you guys do not know, Pond's actually has like different categories for each. Bakit yung English ko wala sa tono ngayon? For each skin needs. So if you guys are more into like my oily combination skin, you would like to, lessen the pimples, but not really like target only the pimples but the whole face, go for white, pure white, kasi it also diminishes the acne scars. Unlike with the other one, clear solutions, yun talaga to clear up your acne. So not necessarily catering sa mga acne marks, sa mga blackheads and whiteheads. It mainly just kills the acne, but not really anything else. We're going to start first with the outer edge, like the outer parts of my skin, which I will be using this. This is the Pure White Miracle Clay Mask Detox Treatment. So it opens like this. I do like the packaging on the 8 grams kasi it's really travel friendly. This is my very first time using this, by the way. Wow. Para siyang charcoal mask talaga. That kind of looks weird. Okay. So we take that. I'm actually done with the outer edge of my face. The rest of my face will be applied with this one. It's like this. Gusto ko yung packaging To be honest, Pons, step up your game talaga sa mga packaging. I'm gonna make it work. Okay, so now that I have put on this mask, which is kind of looks weird. It looks weird, don't you think? So, now that I've put on the mask, I will just let it sit for 10 minutes and then wash it off. And then I'll show you. Kasi, di ba sa commercial ng pants, medyo nag-foam siya. Tingnan natin kung nag-foam nga talaga siya.
A few moments later.
At hindi ko alam saan ko isa-set up yung mirror ko kasi gusto kong makita kung magpo-foam up nga siya. So from the look on my face, I do feel that it is a clay mask. Medyo may konting tightening sensation na nagaganap. Mainly more here sa area na to. Unlike dito sa baba, doesn't really feel like there's tightening. Pero dito sa taas meron konti-konti. Slight. Okay, so now I'm going to wet my face. Medyo nalagay ko lang tong towelette ko sa lap ko dahil ayokong mabasa. Okay lang mabasa yung t-shirt ko, wag lang yung lap ko dahil I already applied lotion on my legs. I don't wanna reapply. So may tubig na ako dito ng dala-dala. We're just going to do this and see if it foams up. Oh Lord, babasa ko yung sarili ko. It doesn't foam up, unlike dun sa commercial. I don't know. Like, I didn't really do a lot of research on this. I just like went on like head first. Para sabihin na, I tried this out. Oh, okay. The black one is very, very transfer, may transfer na magaganap. At nahahalo na siya doon sa pink. Wala na akong pake. It doesn't bubble. Okay, I was expecting like this sa commercial, may parang black foam. It's not working. Like, girl. It ain't working. I don't know. Oh God. Oh boy. What did I get myself into? Pants! Nakikita niyo yan? Oh my God, pants. Don't tell me you're feeling me tonight. Oh my God, it's just making everything worse. And it's dripping on my... I will get back to you in a while. Huhugasan ko na yung mukha ko sa CR. I think this really calls for like going to the bathroom and washing my face in front of a sink. Because it's clearly not working. And I'm just like getting myself all dirty because of the detox treatment mask. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys in a while.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I'm back. Oh my God. What? What just happened? Okay, so we're gonna go check kung may nagbago ba sa face ko. Medyo may reddish part siya dito sa chin. And medyo nag-inflame yung mga gremlin sa mukha ko. Okay, one thing's for sure, it made my skin here look really matte. And dito, very parang glimmery. Like, I do see a little bit of like shine and sparkle. Parang may glitters or something. Comparison ng skin ko dito. There isn't really much of a difference. Pareho silang smooth. Yun lang talaga yung ayoko. I was expecting that this thing, where is it? Oh my god, I think I lost it. I was actually expecting this to like foam up a little bit. Kasi nga parang clay to foam yung kiniklaim dun sa ano. But I don't know if this is the same product. Who knows? I'm just like, didn't really wash off immediately. Okay, unlike other clay masks that I've tried na warm water yung ginamit ko, I washed it off, I was like doing this, I wasn't vigorously like doing this to my face. It took me 10 minutes to take it off, unlike the other clay mask I've tried, or the facial clay masks that I've tried. Hindi siya gano'ng katagal tanggalin, unlike dito. Okay, dito lang ha, specifically this one, kasi nga this was on the outer perimeter of my face, so I'm kind of like, maybe it wasn't a good idea that I did that. Okay, first impressions wise, do I like these? Actually, I do. Okay, I like this, to be honest. This one, I don't hate it, yet I don't like it as well. Okay, I'm kind of like in between liking it and hating it because I haven't tried it fully. So I haven't tried this, you know, in its full extent. So I would like to do a more in-depth review of this and tell you guys if it worked for my skin, if I do like it, if it's worth like washing your face for 10 minutes with water just to get it off. Tsaka pati dito sa baby hairs ko, kumapit din siya. So medyo doon lang ako na-turn off with this one. Both of them, they didn't foam up unlike what I saw in the commercial. I do see this using more kasi my skin hasn't been looking that great lately because of stress. So I might use this more than this one. So overall, I do think these are worth a try, but you have to choose the right product line for you, okay? Because pwedeng gumamit ka ng white beauty, hindi mo naman pala kailangan, or nung pure white, pero hindi mo naman pala kailangan pala yung clear solution. So better do your research first, and also go to a dermatologist para malaman nyo kung ano yung mas bagay talaga sa inyo. So that's basically it for today's video, you guys. I hope you guys liked this video, and of course, our question of the day. Have you tried this product before, and what do you think about it? Did it work for you? Share us your experience on the comment section. And of course, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, follow me on my social networking accounts, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And of course, your girl has to go, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon, okay? Bye!